artists, everyone I saw today, everyone from guitarist to the person who was doing that tabla, and the singers, the actors. First of all, a huge round of applause for all of you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you people. More noise, baby! I've seen you guys. You have been amazing. It does not matter how good you were or not. The point is that you come up to the stage and give this charisma, show this charisma to everyone, and this is something that should be applauded. And one thing that no one has looked on, I've been seeing here that our judges has done an amazing work. They've been, marking, filling sheets all the time. That's what they've been doing for a very long time. So, a huge round of applause for them. Nah, that's not enough. That's not enough, guys. I can't hear you. I guess that would be it. That was a trial. Thank you.